This is a resolution congratulating and commending Tami Bidia Escoltero, Jaime Rosquillo, Kent Jello Bernasol, Bilhira, and Novi Christian Solis Paraiso, all from Barotac Nuevo Iloilo, for representing the Philippines in the ASEAN Football Federation Boys Championship 2022 and ASEAN Football Confederation Asian Cup AFC 2022, sponsored by yours truly and board member Paes. We have here, whereas ASEAN Football Federation Under-19 Boys Championship 2022 was held in Bekasi, Jakarta, Indonesia, last July 2-10, 2022, whereas Asian Football Confederation Under-20 Asian Cup Uzbekistan was held in Salalah, Oman, last September 12-18, 2022, whereas ASEAN Football Federation Under-16 Boys Championship 2022 was held in Yogyakarta, Indonesia, last July 31 to August 12, 2022, whereas Asian Football Confederation Under-17 was held in Jordan last October 1 to 9, 2022, whereas Tami Bidia Escotero was appointed assistant coach to the Philippine team in the ASEAN Football Federation Under-19 Boys Championship 2022 and ASEAN Football Confederation Under-20 Uzbekistan, whereas Jaime Rosquillo Barotac Nuevo Iloilo was selected to represent the Philippine team in the qualifiers in the ASEAN Football Federation Under-19 Boys Championship 2022 and Asian Football Confederation Under-20, whereas Kent Jello Bernasol Bilhira of Barotac Nuevo Iloilo was selected to represent the Philippine team in the qualifiers in ASEAN Football Federation Under-16 Boys Championship 2022, whereas Novi Christian Solis Paraiso of Barotac Nuevo Iloilo was selected to represent the Philippine team in the qualifiers in Asian Football Confederation Under-17 held in Jordan, whereas these coach and players representing our country to the international football competition brought pride and honor to our country and to the province of Iloilo in the field of sports, whereas the inclusion of these coach players to the Philippine football team and their participation to international tournaments deserve full recognition and commendation from the Iloilo Provincial Government and the Sangguniang Panlalawigan ng Iloilo. Now therefore, on motion of yours truly, resolved as it is hereby resolved to commend and congratulate Tami Bidia Escotero, Jaime Rosquillo, Kenjelo Bernasol, Bilhira, and Novi Christian Solis Paraiso for their significant roles in representing the Philippines in the ASEAN Football Federation Boys Championship 2022 and the ASEAN Football Confederation Asian Cup 2022. Furnish copy of this resolution to the persons concerned for their information and reference. I so move, Your Honor.
So moved and second the motion. Co-sponsor Board Distura. Second the motion by Board Kahilig, Board Modehar, Paes, and Distura. Motion is approved.
Next, Your Honor.